Let's learn how to find your X username and password. If you forgot your password and username and now you can't log in, don't worry. After watching this video, you will know both the username and password for your account. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to google.com. Once Google is open, make sure you are logged into the correct account. The next thing you need to do is click on your profile icon. Your profile icon is located in the top right corner of your screen. After you click on it, a page with several options will open, most of which are useless for this tutorial, except for one. Manage your Google account. Click on that option, and a page with many options will open. On this page, you need to scroll these options a bit to the left, and you will find the security option that you need. Click on that option, and a page with the option you need will open, but you will get to it if you scroll down. That option is Password Manager. When you click on it, a page will open showing all the applications where you have saved passwords and usernames. Find X or Twitter there and click on it. I don't have it saved, but if you do, it will be there. When you click on X or Twitter, a page will open showing your username and password. This way, you successfully found your username and password. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.